Post-Kala-Azar dermal leishmaniasis, drug of choice, miltefosine. Visceral leishmaniasis, drug of choice, liposomal amphotericin B. Pemphigus vulgaris, Nikolsky sign, bullous spread, Ashbohansen sign, bullous pemphigoid, milia formation, pemphigus erythematous, malar eminence erythematous lesions, alopecia areata, exclamation sign, pityriasis, rice powder like scaling, nail scratch sign positive, chromoblastomycosis, giant plaque cauliflower like growth, lupus vulgaris, erythematous lesions from pink to golden brown, scrofuloderma neck, apple jelly nodule, satellite punched out lesion, borderline lepromatous leprosy, herpes ophthalmicus, Hutchinson sign, secondary syphilis, Buschke-Ollendorff sign, deep dermal tenderness, Weil's transient less than 24 hours dermal edema, erythema infectiosum, slabbed cheek appearance, Peutz-Jeghers syndrome, jejunal hematoma, pemphigus foliaceus, defective desmoglein 1, seborrheic distribution, psoriasis stratum corneum, Monro's microabscess, Hailey-Hailey disease, defective calcium ATPase, long white nail bands, Urticaria pigmentosa, Darrier sign, fall on outstretched hand with wrist inflection, Smith's fracture, fall on outstretched hand, Colles fracture, rheumatoid arthritis, PIP less than MCP plus wrist joint, psoriatic arthropathy, DIP, osteoarthritis, PIP, DIP first CMC, sparing wrist and MCP, overzealous curettage scarring, Asherman syndrome, gonorrhea grown, Thierry-Martin media, chlamydia grown, McCoy PCR, trichomoniasis, strawberry vagina, Asherman syndrome treatment, high dose estrogen progesterone, hysteroscopic adhesiolysis, preterm labor prevention, progesterone, HIV mother baby, nevirapine 6 weeks, HIV mother, lamivudine, tenofovir, efavirenz, folic acid in pregnancy, 400 microgram 1 month before conception, 3 months after conception, in premature lungs, betamethasone 2 doses 12 mg 24 hours apart, dexamethasone 4 doses 6 mg 12 hours apart, molluscum contagiosum HP bodies, condylomata acuminata, anogenital warts, tetanus, sardonic grain, constrictive pericarditis, Kussmaul sign, drowning diatoms, Shaharaski's rings, mucosal ring at scomocolon junction, Ivor-Lewis operation mortality, anastomotic leak, Fleischer's sign, ileocecal tuberculosis, interception, red currant jelly stool, popcorn calcification mammography, fibroadenoma, pseudomonas, piperacin tazobactam, drug of choice, sulfonamides, seizure, pain causes, acute intermittent porphyria, overactive bladder, drug of choice, darifenacin, sand eye cause, latinoprast, mild to moderate hypertension diabetic is thiazide, lumpy jaw, adenomycosis, steatoria, chronic pancreatitis, Hickey hair test, diabetes insipidus, T-wave inversion, pulmonary thromboembolism, absent P-wave atrial fibrillation, optic neuritis, Marcus Gunn pupil, meconium aspiration syndrome, respiratory distress to respiratory failure, bacterial coronary ulcer, blepharospasm, herpes zoster ophthalmicus, zoster keratitis, retinitis pigmentosa, scotoma annular ring shaped, acute cholecystitis, Boas sign, Hashimoto thyroiditis, Hurthle cell, achalasia cardia, pencil tip deformity, pseudopolyp ulcerative colitis, coffee bean sign volvulus, acetazolamide metabolic acidosis, thiazide amphotericin B insulin cause of hypokalemia, drug of choice for OCD fluoxetine, Alzheimer disease effective drug tacrine, fungal keratomycosis, silver sulfadizing, बोर्ड्स कमेटी प्राइमरी हेल्थ सेंटर, बलवंत राय मेहता कमेटी पंचायती राज, रेणुका रॉय कमेटी स्कूल हेल्थ गाइडलाइन फूड मिल्स, श्रीवास्तव कमेटी रोम स्कीम, चड्ढा कमेटी बेसिक हेल्थ वर्कर मलेरिया एडिकेशन, बायलेटर पैटर्न इनलार्जमेंट, शॉकरन सिंड्रोम, चौकी वाइट टीथ, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड पॉइजनिंग, सिस्टर मैरी जोसेफ नोड्यूल, स्टमक कैंसर, विमबर्गर साइन स्कर्वी, ब्रेकियोसेफेलिक स्कल, डाउन सिंड्रोम, deltoid axillary nerve, sensory nerve supply of cornea, nasociliary nerve, carpal tunnel syndrome, specific test, Durkan's test, adamantioma, subbubble appearance, Chick-Martin test, disinfectant efficacy, aneurysm, subarachnoid hemorrhage, thunderclap headache, early cord clamping, birth asphyxia, acute appendicitis, Aaron's sign, Carroll's disease, central dot sign, sickle cell disease, hand-foot syndrome, otosclerosis, Schwarzschild sign, glomus tumor, rising sun appearance, Kwinsky, torticollis, CSOM, round window shield effect, Meniere's disease, Tullio phenomena, radio-resistant bone tumor, OSCS, malignant fibrous histiocytoma, OS is osteosarcoma and CS is chondrosarcoma, extended curettage, GCT, CB, aneurysmal bone cyst, unicameral bone cyst, just curettage, first decade most common, Ewing sarcoma, adamantioma, epithelial tumor of tibia.